Mad Renko charts. In this video, guys and gals, we're going to talk about this new, very interesting Mad Renko chart style. We'll also talk about how this new Mad Renko is different than any traditional or previous Renko chart you've ever seen before. And of course, we're going to talk about how this new Mad Renko chart can help improve your trading. Let's get into it, guys and gals. My name is Mark at Dino Trading. Glad to be with you. And as you might know, something interesting about me is I consider myself a master at trading innovation. I firmly believe that traders simply cannot just sit on their hands and use the same system for years and years and years. You've always got to stay on top of what is happening in the market, because any experienced trader will tell you that markets are always changing. Markets are always changing and evolving, and you as a trader need to adapt. So what I've programmed here is my take on the default Renko charts, except I've called mine Mad Renko. And essentially this type of Renko chart is a Renko chart that it has the ability to detect whenever markets are about to get very volatile. And when I say self-adapting, what I mean is this Mad Renko chart can actually change its own height. You see? So like as an example, you can see here that the Renko changes colors from red into green, and the green bars start off real small, real small, real small, but you can kind of see the bars growing in height, right? To the point where they get enormous right over here. And when you see this interesting dynamic take place, what this tells you is that the market is on a mission to go up, right? And don't you dare take your foot off the gas, okay? In other words, like the way to interpret these bars, going from a small height and then self-adapting themselves to larger bars on their own, okay? Basically, if you're long, stay long. Okay, because there's a very, very good chance, like a 90+% chance that the market is going to continue ripping hard. And only when you see the bars kind of getting smaller and smaller and smaller after they were quite large, okay, somewhere over here is maybe your inclination to start taking some profits. You understand? But yeah, this is essentially my take on a new, interesting, kind of unique, very different Renko trading system. I've given it a name, Mad Renko. Kind of like that name. It's a cool name. And so far, what my customers and clients have told me is this particular Renko style chart does a phenomenal job of really smoothing out all the distortions that take place in the market. I mean, what you're seeing here on the screen is an entire 24-hour session, right? Doesn't this look amazing, right? It's fantastic. So yeah, hope this gives you kind of a quick summary on what this Mad Renko chart style is all about. It is very new. So far it's been very effective, and I'm really going to be limiting this to just my existing paying customers and clients for right now. Not sure if this will be released to the general public or people that I don't have a business relationship with. But I at least wanted to get the word out, maybe have some of you guys and gals out there who do take trading seriously. This might offer you some interesting ways to brainstorm around the concept of a very interesting Renko trading system that no one's ever done before, right? I do believe I'm the first to come up with something like this, and the secret sauce really is making these Renko bars self-adapt and like modify their own height on their own, depending on, is the market really volatile or is the market kind of quiet? And based on that information, you can take trades and play the direction accordingly.